Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to be making General Tso's chicken and I'll be substituting a few ingredients. So the first step is to get boneless and skinless chicken thighs, just like I have it in the video right there, and place it on a paper towel and dab excess water. So just slightly dab, you don't have to do too much with it. And I'm going to cut it up into bite size and transfer it into a Pyrex bowl. I'm going to be adding 1 egg into the chicken, and I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and a 1/3 cup of coconut flour. I'm going to be adding salt and pepper to taste and a little bit of soy sauce. I'll be mixing very well so that everything can be well incorporated and all the juices can mix together. And I'm going to let it sit for a while and I will start frying. So what you want to do is fry your chicken to be golden brown. You don't want it too crunchy. You don't even want it crunchy at all, but just fry it to be golden brown. You get it off the oil. I'm going to be cutting up ginger and garlic and setting it aside. Then I will add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in a bowl. And I'm going to be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of General Tso's sauce, a 1/3 cup or less of cornstarch, and a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to give it a very nice whisk. In a wok pan, I'm going to be adding some chili flakes, I'm going to be adding oil into my toasted chili flakes. I'm going to be adding my ginger and garlic, which I cut up already. I'm going to be adding the mixture, the soy sauce mixture which we have. I'm going to quickly stir it because I don't want it all clumped up and I don't want it all thickened. And I'm going to add my chicken into the mix we have right there. And I'm just going to give it a nice stir. And then you are done. And you have your General Tso's chicken in a couple of minutes. And it's ready to be eaten. So enjoy and have at it. So guys, for the original General Tso's recipe, you are supposed to use all-purpose flour. So for me, I decided to use coconut flour because that is what I wanted. And then, so you're supposed to use some fresh chili, but I decided to use chili flakes because I just thought, why not a substitute?